Guys, I am having an issue with my video feed. As you can see, I don't know if you can see this in the DVR, but there's lines going across the screen and they don't seem to move at all. So I don't think it's anything to do with interference. I did move the video transmitter and I put some tape underneath it so it wasn't so I made sure that it wasn't against the carbon, and it did go away for a bit, but it's back again. Now I'm going to show you what my range is like here. I'm on 800 milliwatts, but it doesn't seem to make a difference. Right, let's see if we can sort this issue out. Right, here we go. Right guys, so after that flight, I'm going to try and sort this issue out. Now I have a feeling it might be water damage in there. The last drone that this video transmitter was in was, it went into water unfortunately, and I did try to clean it with some isopropanol. Let's have a look at, yeah, some of this stuff. Which, yeah, definitely get some of this stuff. It's very good for cleaning drone equipment and stuff with a toothbrush, but I'm going to try and fix it. Now I have a feeling it might also be the antenna coming off of the video transmitter. It looks a little bit damaged, so I'm going to try and replace that first. If that doesn't work, then I'm going to replace it with one in my other drone, this one, because I don't use this one very often, so I can wait to get a brand new one, but I'll replace it from this one for the time being, and see how this goes. Right, let's take this thing apart and replace it. Right, the first thing I'm going to do before I take this thing out, I mean, yeah, you can see that does look pretty bad in there. I don't know if that's the cause of it, but we will replace this thing first. But I'm just going to make sure that there is actually the full battery voltage going through this video transmitter first before I do it. I'm going to get my voltage meter and plug it into a battery. Yeah, let's plug it into a battery quickly. Oh, don't ever plug the drone in without the video transmitter, without the antenna on the video transmitter, because that's how you fry them. Never a good idea, so always make sure you've got an antenna on it, otherwise the power's got nowhere to go. Right. Yeah, we'll plug it in. Oh, those bloody tones, honestly. Should probably get rid of that at some point. It was a nice thing to have on there, but it's getting annoying now. Right. Let's see. Right, range. Let's have a look here. Right, so it's there and there. Okay, it's going to be a bit tricky. Yeah, 15.14. Alright, we'll replace it then. Let's do this. Oh, damn. That could be it. That has just sheared off of that. See, I checked that earlier, but that did not look like it was that bad, but that has just come straight off of that. So we'll replace that with the spare one I've got in my other drone, and we're going to go out and fly this. I mean, this should be, yeah, I wasn't looking forward to taking this whole thing out and putting another one in it, but yeah, this should fix the issue. Right, let's go to the field now. Oh god, it's hot today. So hot. Right, let's do this.
Tearing out pieces of me.